It is hot outside, super hot. So if we're thinking about how hot it is and how dry everything is, it makes us think about fire danger, makes mortgage companies worry about insurance, makes insurance companies worry about fires. It's kind of a mess. Right now, it's kind of a mess. Now, what we need to consider in real estate is how are you going to get your home insured? How much is it going to cost? Is that going to be the thing besides the interest rate that knocks you out of the purchasing game or owning your own home? Whew, this insurance game out here is rough right now. There's so many companies that are bailing out, so many that are just writing simple, easy policies, not if you're anywhere near open fields. And we know there's a lot of beautiful homes near open fields that are at higher risk for fire. So I keep running into this problem. I thought I'd bring it up today because homeowners insurance, even condo policies, have really gotten outrageous. I've noticed a huge problem with condos in particular, because there's a master policy that's with your HOA association that covers the rebuild cost of all the structures. That has been going up exponentially, and they're passing the cost on to condo owners. Well, condo owners are usually already paying $500-600 a month for HOA fees, which actually has your insurance built into it. So when the insurance goes up for the entire policy, everybody's rates get increased, HOAs go up. This has been a really big problem because a lot of people buying condos are in the entry-level price point to begin with. And when they get squeezed with those additional insurance costs, it's really unbearable, on top of the interest rate, which is problematic right now too. But I'm also seeing million-dollar homes, multi-million-dollar homes that are really difficult to insure. And sometimes you wonder, we're right in the middle of town. There's about, 100 homes between me and the open field. There's fire hydrants right in front of my house. There's great fire stations that are well-equipped and well-funded. And it's really hard to imagine why your insurance has actually gone through the roof or you're not getting renewed. And insurance companies look at a big, broad picture and the bottom line, right? So their bottom line is more important than anything. Let's just be crystal clear about that. The second thing is when they stop writing insurance, it's usually in a zip code, not a neighborhood. It's much broader, and they take themselves out of the game when they do statistics and data research to see where the next fire hazard is. And right now, all of us are kind of in the fire hazard zone. So we're all feeling the influx and the massive increase in insurance. But not all hope is lost. Insurance companies come in and out of areas as their data shows that it's safe to re-enter. They'll come back around when we get some of this high fire danger behind us. I think we will. And I think the cost of insurance may even out eventually, or the policies will adjust to include more building coverage and give you better discounts when you have better fire resistant homes and measures that you've taken, like sprinklers and fire alarms and things like that. So we're just going to have to get more crafty because we can't stop living here in this beautiful state of California. And the climate is changing. It's getting drier, and fire hazards just going to continue to become more problem. Insurance companies are very reactive. So instead of complain about it, we're going to have to figure out how to offset the cost, maybe increase our deductibles, shop the insurance more often, to try to keep our costs down. And if you know of a great insurance company that's writing in California, reach out. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are, what policy you're carrying, what's your deductible, any experiences that you've had with an insurance company that's not renewing you would be helpful. So feel free to reach out. Thanks so much for tuning in to Tracy's Real Estate Talk, episode 225. Don't forget to follow me at Tracy Bryant Realtor on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Thanks. Stay cool, and I'll talk to you next week. Bye.